Welcome to this tutorial on how to delete your Charles Schwab account. If you've decided to close your account, it's essential to follow a few steps to ensure that everything is done properly. First, make sure you have resolved any pending transactions or outstanding balances. Check for any dividends, interest, or remaining fees that may need to be cleared before account closure. Once your account is in good standing, the next step is to contact Charles Schwab customer service. You can reach them by calling their support number or using their online chat feature. Be ready to provide your account information and explain that you wish to close your account. The representative will guide you through the process and may ask for a reason for the closure, which is standard protocol. After your account has been closed, you will receive a confirmation via email or through your account messages. It's a good idea to save this confirmation for your records. Make sure to double-check if any additional steps are required on your part, such as confirming the closure in writing, although this is rarely necessary. Lastly, remember to remove any linked bank accounts or payment methods that were associated with your Charles Schwab account. Monitoring your financial statements in the following months can also help ensure that there are no unexpected transactions. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to delete your Charles Schwab account.